Hey, I'm super happy because I have a box to unopen, and this is a special box. Now, I haven't done unboxing videos in a while. That's because I haven't really ordered anything recently, but some stuff that I've ordered, I didn't really have the time or the availability to do an unboxing video. But this one is a special one because it's a New Island 4x4 that I'm testing because the guy that runs the New Island store on Amazon, that's also, I think the guy who works at New Island, sent me a message a while ago, a few days ago, on Facebook, asking if I wanted to be a tester for the cube, and I said, yeah, sure, why not? So, this should be a New Island 4x4, and a special one, yeah. Yeah, and so, with this, it's a special cube that, totally New Island 4x4, that, well, from what I understand, from what he said, that it's a new one, but, I'm not 100% sure if this is one of the newer ones, but if it's one of the newer ones that are upcoming, then I'll have more information about it later. But as of right now, I'll show you this one, and it's stickerless model, and yeah, it's one of the current models that they've already have on sale. And it's the Windstorm model. Let me go down and show you this even further. Get better angle. So, here it is. The box right here is pretty plain, but no biggie for right now. And it's called the New Island Windstorm 4x4. And, yeah. If I can safely get this open, I can show you it. Alright, there we go. Comes with this New Island cube bag, which is a pretty good cube bag, to be honest. Here's the solution booklet, and then here's this thingy about New Island. We love to hear from you if you want to do some other stuff. Yeah. Now getting on to the 4x4 itself. The 4x4, yeah, it's stickerless. And this is my second stickerless 4x4 that I own. And it's kind of cool. And first turns of it, wow, that is fantastic. I'm thinking that this might become my new main. Yeah. Yeah, this might be my new main. 4x4. Yeah. But first turn of it, it's fantastic. Corner cutting really not that good for us corner cutting for right now. Regular corner cutting, fantastic. Inner layer 2x2 corner cutting style, very good. Yeah. So, and I've also created a forum or a little survey thing that you all should check out. I'll have a link to it down in the description below, along with where you can buy this. So, what that survey is, it's just a little survey that I want everyone to fill out and see this is for the person that hooked me up testing this cube, is that I want to let him know of what color plastic is the most popular. The option that I have for that little survey is white, black, stickless, and ether. And if you pick ether, please specify what color it is that, what color plastic you use or buy the most. Because I want to do this survey for him to, for future products, of letting him know of what future product that they should make and what color that they should make it in, available in. Yeah. And so far, this 4x4 is fantastic. Yeah, once I lube it, tension it, and break it in, it will be, I can tell it's going to be better. And plus, I'll have a review of it out in about a week or so, once I have enough time to play with this 4x4. Yeah. And it's a really good, fantastic 4x4 so far out of the box. I highly recommend you all buy it.